Creating an email signature is an important part of online communication, as it helps to quickly identify yourself and your contact information. This video will show you how to easily create an email signature that's customized to your needs. First, launch your email program and open the Settings or Options tab. You'll need to locate a signature option. This may be found in the General or Accounts sections. Once you've located the signature option, you can start customizing your signature. In the text box, you can type your name, contact information, and any other details you want to include. Be sure to proofread it multiple times to make sure it looks professional, as this will be seen by anyone who receives an email from you. Once you've written out your signature, you can save the changes and exit the Options tab. Now, when you compose an email, your signature should appear at the bottom by default. You can further customize your signature by changing the font size, and text color. You can also insert images, logos, and other HTML elements. That's it. You've successfully created an email signature that will help you look more professional and make it easier for people to contact you. Thanks for watching.